A very good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Okay, so yesterday, what have we learned? We have learned how to add unlike fractions. Okay, so what were the steps of adding unlike fractions? The first thing that we did was we took the LCM of the denominators. Then the next step was to convert the fractions as equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Okay? And the third step was to add the numerators, the resultant numerators. Okay? Today we are going to do how to subtract unlike fractions. Now to subtract unlike fractions, it is the very same as adding unlike fractions. The only difference is to subtract the numerators at the end. Okay. So here, let me take an example. 8 by 9 minus 4 by 11. Okay. So I have taken 8 by 9 minus 4 by 11. Okay. So number one step is the LCM. The LCM of 9 and 11, dear. You see, 9 and 11 have no common factors. Okay. So when two numbers have no common factors, the LCM is the multiplication of it. 9 multiplied by 11, because 11 is a prime number, 9 is a multiple of 3. They have no common factors between them. Okay. So the LCM of 9 and 11 is 99. Okay. So I have found the LCM. What is my second step? My second step is to convert the given, you have to convert the given fractions in such a way that the numerators are 99. Okay. So you see, children, if I multiply 9 with 11, I'll get 99, because 9 multiplied by 11 is 99. If I multiply 9 with 11, again I'll get 99. In the first fraction, since I'm multiplying the denominator by 99, I will also have to multiply the numerator by 11. Since I'm multiplying the denominator by 11, I will also have to multiply the numerator with 11. Okay. In the second fraction, since I'm multiplying the denominator by 9, I will also have to multiply the numerator by 9. Okay, I have done that. The next step is to multiply. Once you multiply, you will find 9 multiplied by 11 is 99. 8 multiplied by 11 is 88. And again, you have the same denominator, 99. And 9 multiplied by 4, how much is it, children? 9 multiplied by 4 is 36. Okay, so in this step, all I have done is I have multiplied. Okay, I have multiplied. In the next step, I will write the numerators. I will subtract the numerators and write them under the common denominator. Okay. So once I have done that, if you cannot do it, if you cannot subtract it mentally, always be sure to make a workspace. Okay. Make a workspace. How much will you get? You will get that 8 minus 6 is 2. 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay. So the final result is 52 by 99. Okay, children. So if you have two fractions, okay, and to subtract two unlike fractions, what is the first step then I am doing? The first step is to take the LCM of the denominators. Then the next step is to write the fractions as equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Okay, with LCM as the denominator. In the first fraction, I need to write the LCM as 99. So I am multiplying the denominator with 11, and then since I am multiplying the denominator with 11, I will also multiply the numerator with 11. Okay. In the second fraction, I am multiplying the denominator by 9. Why am I doing that? Because I need the LCM to be because the LCM of the denominators are 99 and I need to make the denominator as 99. Since I'm multiplying the denominator with 9, I will also have to multiply the numerator with 9. After that, multiply. Okay, multiply whatever you have written here. In the next step, you have to write everything under the same denominator and subtract the numerator. Okay, and in the next step you subtract it, you'll get your answer. Alright, let us take another example. This was your example 1. Okay, now let us do example 2. Let me take example 2. Okay, let me take example 2 where I have 17 by 30 minus 5 by 24. Okay, I have to find 17 by 30 minus 5 by 24. Now first things first, you will have to find the LCM of 30 and 24. Now look children, 30 and 24 are both what? They are both multiples of 2. They are also multiples of 3. So let us do the prime factorization first, okay, to find the LCM. Let me take 30 on one hand and 24 on another. Okay, I am prime factorizing them together. Okay, so first let me prime factorize it by the number 2. How much will I get? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. Okay, and then let me prime factorize it by 2 again. So I'll have 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, now see children, 15 and 12 are again multiples of 3. That means they are divisible by 3. So let me divide it by 3. So I'll have 3 fives are 15 and 3 fives are 15 and 3 fours are 12. Right? Again I have another number. If I divide it by 2, this is not divisible by 2. It will directly come down. Okay? And then I have 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So I can say LCM of 30 and 24 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. How many 2's are there? There are 3 2's. How many 3's are there? 1 3 and there is 1 5. Okay. If you multiply it, how much will you get children? Please see. How much do you get? 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 5's are 40. 40 into 3 is 120. Okay. So the LCM of 30 and 24 is 120. Okay. Alright. Now I have to write these fractions in such a way that the denominator is 120. So for that, I can write 17 divided by 30. Okay. Now I have to multiply this in such a way that you get 120. Okay. I know that 3 4's are 12. Right? If 3 4's are 12, then 30 into 4 will give you 120. Because 4 into 3 is 12. You all have to add a 0. So 30 into 4 is 120. Since I am multiplying the denominator by 4, I will also have to multiply the numerator with 4. Okay. Similarly, 24. 24 multiplied by how much is 120. Okay. So you see children, in your LCM only, you can see that so far 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8 and 8 into 3 is how much? 8 into 3 is 24. So you multiply 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 3's are 24, right? If you see in your LCM children, you will see that the first terms give you 24. If you multiply 24 with 5, you will get 120. So I will know that 24 multiplied by 5 is 120. Or you can do another thing. You can divide 120 by 24. You will get 5. Okay. Or you can see your LCM numbers. Okay. If you multiply the first few numbers, they will multiply till 24. And then you can see that 24 multiplied by 5 is direct 120. Okay. So since you have multiplied the denominator with 5, you will also have to multiply the numerator with 5. Okay. So after this, the next step is to multiply them together. Okay. So now all you have to do is multiply. Okay. Now all you have to do is multiply. We know that this will directly give you, the denominators are 120, and if you multiply the numerators, 17 multiplied by 4, how much is it, children? You can always make a workspace. Sorry. You can always make a workspace, and then you can see that it is 68. Okay. Alright. So 17 multiplied by 4 is 68. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Right, children? So after that, you have to group all them under the same denominator. So once you group them under the same denominator, you will have 68 minus 25. So if you subtract 68 from 25, you will get 43, right? Okay, 43 by 120. Is it okay, children? Can you now subtract any unlike fraction? I hope the point is clear to you. Okay. So let me give you 2 more examples, okay? Alright, children, I want you to see these 2 questions, okay, that you can relate with your life. We all like pizzas, we all like chocolates, and that is why I tried to give you 2 questions on pizzas and chocolates, okay? So see, you have 1 by 4 kg pizza and you gave 1 by 7 kg to your brother. How much pizza are you left with? Okay, you have 1 by 4 kg pizza, right? You gave away 1 by 7 kg pizza to your brother. So how much are you left with? You will get it if you subtract 1 by 7 from 1 by 4. Okay. Now in the second question, your brother had half kg chocolate and he gave you 1 by 5 kg. How much is he left with? This you can do by subtracting 1 by 5 from 1 by 2. Okay. So try these questions, children. Okay, try these questions and submit it in your Google Classroom. And if you have any problems, please get back to me. I'll try to get back to you. Okay. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.